All right, decided to have breakfast today. You kind of saw a cooking process of how I made it, but my mom, when I was growing up, used to make me some fried potatoes with onions. And I think she had this for breakfast with eggs. So this is a sausage from Walmart. I think somebody wanted me to try this sausage. I thought it was like McDonald's sausage. Called maple flavored sausage. It's a great value from Walmart. And I did do this in a weekly vlog. If you follow my vlogging channel, the link in the description down below, you can check it out. I vlog every week. But yeah, it is very similar to McDonald's sausage. I don't usually get sausage from McDonald's. I usually like the breakfast burrito. I don't think that, I think it's a different type of sausage. The scrambled eggs, I added some Parmesan cheese, fresh Parmesan cheese. I also added some spinach and onion. It's a little different breakfast burrito that I don't normally do, or breakfast I don't normally do. But I thought I would film breakfast for you guys, something just light. It's almost time for work, so it's kind of, I do like to have ketchup. I'm not sure about the eggs. Yeah, mine is everything. I just love ketchup. And we have some coffee. You saw how I made the coffee. I added a K-cup that a subscriber a few years ago gave me a sample of K-cups. And since I don't have a Keurig machine anymore, they suggested I put it in the coffee. Just pour it in. It's really good mixed with regular coffee. That's why I did that. But yeah, let's try these potatoes. I added some Kinder's garlic spice as well to it. And that's really good with the onions. My mom used to make this when I was younger. Big onions, not chopped, just like a good slice of onions. Good flavor. Try some sausage. Can't cut it. Very good. So I put this in the air fryer. It tastes really good. Very good. And this I just did an experiment, adding some scrambled eggs with spinach and onion, a little fresh Parmesan cheese on top. Good. Today, it's Saturday. I'm mostly off all day, except for I have to work at 6 at Walmart. That's well. I've been adding spinach to my diet. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to get spinach to my diet just because I think I'm low in iron. But I realize I don't know if it helps my energy that much, but it definitely increases my digestion, I think. So, I just might as well just add some more vegetables to my diet. I added the Parmesan on top of the eggs. It doesn't really do a lot of flavor, I don't think. But I want to try it out. It's like a very light flavor. It's not much of a cheese flavor. Yeah. Also, want to let you guys know that my energy is way up. The time change really kicked in. It made me more tired than it already had been before. Also, the sun is really helping me. It's been really sunny. Except for today's kind of climate. Last week was sunny most days, and it was just so nice. And being in the sun is very healing, I think. So I'm glad my energy is back. But I do still feel like I need to take a vacation, so I'm excited for my trip to see my sister in Texas. We talked a little bit today. And we're just gonna take it easy. I'll be there for 4 days, but not for a full day. So it's gonna be so nice to take a break from both my jobs. It's just gonna be such a nice feeling, you know. And hopefully I come back rejuvenated, ready to go. Probably won't post that many videos that week, just so I can relax, you know. I decided to put my frozen videos. If you guys don't know, I'm doing a pizza series, frozen pizza series, where I review frozen pizzas, and I reviewed 7 already, and I'll put them there every Friday for the next 7 weeks. So it will be on my vlogging channel. Don't ask me why I did that on my vlogging channel, but I did that for some reason. So because that vlogging channel was like a food review channel, then I turned into a vlogging channel, and so most of my vlogs are on that vlogging channel, but I started to do the pizza reviews uploaded on that channel for some reason, so I'm just going to upload them all on that channel. So guys, if you want to follow my vlogging channel, check the link down below. Also, if you want to see what I did in Texas with my sister, I'll be vlogging that. So make sure to follow my vlogging channel for what I did for that week. We talked about going to, I think it's called Buc-ee's. It might be like a really big gas station or something. Guess when my mom went there last year to see my sister, she said that my mom bought like a lot of snacks and stuff. So my mom really enjoyed it, and I want to check out that store, I guess. I love these potatoes with onions. They're such a good flavor. It's a nice break from making my frozen hash browns from Trader Joe's. I like it better this way. Even a little more work, but I think it's worth it. The onion's so good. Yummy. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The highlight of this breakfast was the potatoes with onions. It was so good. Have you ever guys had that before? Or has your mom or dad made that when you were younger? I think back then with depression, potatoes were just really in because it was cheap. And I used to make a lot of potatoes because they're really cheap. I remember when I was growing up, and they're really good. Yeah, it was really good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think tomorrow for lunch, before I go to work at Walmart, I think I'm going to review that Amy's pizza. So yeah, I have an Amy's pizza, frozen pizza. That's been in my freezer for a while. And somebody wanted me to film a mukbang video. And so I might do that tomorrow. And every time I go on TikTok, there is a follower that keeps on asking me, have I tried the Amy's pizza yet? And it's still in the freezer, And they keep on asking me on every time I go live. So I'm just going to film it, I think, tomorrow. I just kind of film videos for what I feel like, but I think I'm going to get that out of the way. It's been in my freezer for at least 2 weeks. Pretty expensive. It was over $10 for this pizza. But yeah, I think I might do that tomorrow. So, and it's actually rained this weekend, so we're going to have maybe this next couple of days we'll just have some meals at home because don't really want to go in the rain if I don't have to, you know. It's not really nice, so I'm not going anywhere today except for work. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.